that this can be too much to absorb in a single session. So if everything else fails, this is what we are going to do. For opinion, we say, in my opinion, I think that, I believe. For reason, we can say, I say so because, my reason is because. For example, we say, let me explain, for example, and I'm sure you have. Finally, for the opinion, we say, to conclude, to summarize, or in summary. That is how we will be able to handle any impromptu topic thrown at us. Yes? With that, we come towards the end of our approaches and the strategies. We will be moving towards the audience interaction segment in which we will be giving out topics to you to speak on. Are we all ready for it? Yes?
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Your topic is my dream company to work for, Niral. Niral, my dream company to work for.
I don't have a specific company as in mind, but I want to do a government job. So, can I talk about that?
Niral, your time has started. Just go with the flow. Yeah.
Okay, so basically, I want to go for a government job because from starting, I have seen my parents. My father is in government job, so I've seen the opportunities, the relaxation he gets, kind of the kind of advantages he gets. So I was very from starting only. I've been very inclined towards government job because of of course, all the facilities we get, like everybody knows. Also, they tend to, I personally feel like I'm not the kind of 9 to 5 kind of person. Like I cannot just sit like whole day, do a monotonous work like every day. So I basically feel that I will be better in the government uh, area than in working in a private company. Thank you.
Muskan, your topic is travel leaves you speechless, then turns you into a storyteller. Travel leaves you speechless, then turns you into a storyteller. Muskan, all the best.
Thank you so much, Pragya, for the amazingly good question. I am a person, I feel I would love to travel, and I'm a person, I feel that I love to write as well. Weaving a story out of a travel journey is something that I have always admired of. I have still not been to really good places, I feel, but I would want to. Okay, the reason why traveling can make you a storyteller is I feel it's mostly about the environment, or it's mostly about the kind of vibes that you get when you are traveling. I'll explain that with an example. Like last year itself, when I was about to leave my place and when I was about to go to Delhi back again. So I'm not from originally from Delhi. You know, even the thought of getting into the flight was gave me sort of, you know, a vibe maybe of traveling again, of going back to a different place again, experiencing new things. So that is something that is sort of an example where I feel that traveling helps you become a storyteller, because it's not only about meeting new places or experiencing new things, but also about you know being to a new place, getting to a new place, and I mean yeah. So being there and just experiencing a lot of new things altogether. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. I'm so sorry. I just got a lot nervous. I think I started stammering and.
You were great. You were great.
Uh,
Do you want to continue speaking?
No, I I have so much to speak, but I just don't find the right words to feel in, so I stammer. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope like everybody knows this. This is how I become when I speak. This is my biggest setback, I would say. and I start blabbering and I start stammering. I know the words, I know what I have to say, but I just don't know how to figure out things. So yeah.
Palak, your topic is orange a color or a fruit? Palak, is orange a color or a fruit?
In my opinion, there are things in this world that can have different meanings to different people. Everyone has their own interpretation about almost everything around them. And this word, orange, could be one of those thousands or millions of those examples. So, orange, it is more than just a word in the vocabulary of the English language. For me, I feel it is a color, and that color itself means a lot more than just being a color. It is a color, it is a word so powerful that, in spite of being a color, they were able to use it to name a fruit. So a color could easily become a fruit. The importance of the word orange in our life, I mean, even though we just don't feel it, it's just a word. But see how important it is. We can't say pink is the name of a fruit. We can't say blue is the name of a fruit. But just think about orange. Orange can easily change from the color to the name of a fruit. So that is why I conclude that orange is more than just a word, it is a color. Thank you.
Now, I'm sure with the Oreo approach, you all will be able to answer these questions which are asked in any interview. Tell me something about yourself. Where do you see yourself in 5 years? What is your greatest strength or your greatest weakness? Why should I hire you? And why did you choose this organization? Yes, can all of us answer these questions now using the Oreo approach? Let's move on to the very last slide. And I would like to close the loop. This is where I started. And I want to tell all of you today that I have managed to work for my dream company, which is Airbnb. And I'm sure that using the Oreo approach, you all will be able to work for your dream company as well.